Hey there, nature lovers. Today I'm diving into the world of one of the most remarkable birds on our planet, the lyrebird. Trust me, their vocal mimicry skills are nothing short of unbelievable. Found in the forests of Australia, these birds are masters of sound. The male lyrebird with his stunning tail feathers is the real showstopper, but it's not just his looks that impress. It's his voice. Imagine hearing a camera shutter click, chainsaw roar, or even another bird's call. Now picture a single bird reproducing all those sounds with perfect accuracy. That's right, the lyrebird can imitate almost any noise it hears. Here's an example. Why does it do this? Well, it's all about attracting mates and confusing predators. The male lyrebird's mesmerizing vocal performance is designed to win over females. Meanwhile, these complex sounds can baffle potential threats, giving the lyrebird a unique edge for survival. Scientists have recorded lyrebirds mimicking building constructions, alarms, and even human voices. It's as if these birds are nature's ultimate sound recorders. Their syrinx, that's their voice box, is incredibly flexible, allowing them to produce a wide range of sounds. But it's not just random noise. A male lyrebird's song can last for up to 20 minutes, blending various sounds into an intricate, seamless performance. It's a symphony of the wild that showcases their intelligence and adaptability. So next time you hear a peculiar sound echoing through the Australian forests, stop and listen. It might just be a lyrebird showing off its extraordinary talents. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing nature stories. And remember, nature never ceases to amaze.